over 100,000 Paws token to be claimed in the new Paws tax. So welcome everyone to Digital. This is your first time coming across my channel. Do it to subscribe, like our video, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. So if you come to your Paws account, you discover that new tax has been given. So if you come to the end section, you're going to see the tax is divided into three. We have the milestone, the explore turn, then we have the lucky block and the mystery quest. So when you click on the reach milestone, all you need to do is just to click on check, then you claim it. It will take you to the second milestone. Just click on check, then you claim it. Then it will take you to the third milestone. Just click on check, then you claim until you get to the fourth milestone. So you claim the third, then the third milestone. So fourth milestone, you are going to proceed to, you can see we have 2 days to complete the fourth milestone. So you proceed to explore turn, then lucky block and mystery quest. For you to get this one, so we go to explore. You can see the new section called explore. So under this explore section, all you need to do is to make payment of 1.7 or 1.8 ton. So you're going to adjust it to 1.8 ton. So we've actually calculated it, and there is around 1.8 ton. So we're going to drag it to around, when you reach 1.8 ton, then click on what? Send ton. So when you click on send ton, then you if you're here to connect your wallet, you connect your wallet. Then after connecting your wallet, you proceed to make the payment. So then the payment is around roughly I think a little bit above $10. Then you make your payment. So after completion of your payment, then you're going to see this message at the top. If you made a transaction and have not received your reward, no worry, reward will be processed and you will get credited soon. So you have to just wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then when you are after like 1 or 2 minutes, you come to the end section to claim your explore turn and mystery quest. So now to complete the lucky block, you have to make a turn transaction of 0.1 turn for like 1 or 2 or 3 times, it depends. So if you make the first 0.1 payment, check, leave it for like 2 minutes, then you check. If it's not, you make another payment. It's just like a random payment. So first of all, make 0.1, then you check after like 2, 3 or 5 minutes. If it's not activated, you make it again until finally it's activated. So do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Having access to right information at the right time is a key determinant in making money on the crypto space. Link in the description and comment section of this video. See you at the top.